In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your email on Zendesk. Changing your email address on Zendesk is a simple process that can be completed in just a few steps. This can be particularly useful if you've recently switched to a new email provider, or if you need to update your contact information for any reason. Let's walk through this process together. First things first, head over to the Zendesk website. Once you're there, you'll see the option to sign in. Click on sign in, and you'll be prompted to do so once more. Don't worry, this is just part of the process. At this point, enter your current email address and password, then either hit enter or click the sign in button to access your Zendesk account. Once you've successfully signed in, you'll find yourself on the Zendesk homepage. Now locate your profile photo, which is usually found at the top right corner of the page. Give that a click. This action directs you to a drop-down menu where you'll see an option labeled View Profile. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you can view and edit your personal details, including your email address. Now that you're viewing your profile, let's proceed to the next step, updating your email. To do this, look for the plus add contact option, which should be somewhere on your left-hand side. Clicking this will allow you to add or update your contact details. Upon clicking plus add contact, you'll see an option for email. Click on that and you'll be provided with a field where you can enter your new email address. After you've typed in your new email, simply click anywhere outside that field to save the change. It's as easy as that, and that's all there is to it. You've now successfully updated your email address on Zendesk. Remember, keeping your contact information up to date is important, not only for receiving notifications, but also to ensure the security of your account. Zendesk makes it easy to manage your profile and keep your details current. It's also a good idea to check your new email for any verification or confirmation messages from Zendesk, as they may require you to verify the change. This is a standard security measure, so don't skip this step if it's requested. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Remember, taking the time to keep your digital profiles up to date is a key part of managing your online presence effectively. If you have any questions or need further assistance, Zendesk offers comprehensive support to guide you through any issues you might encounter. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.